Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an adventure through one of Australia's most iconic cities, Sydney. From its stunning landmarks to its vibrant culture, there's so much to explore in this bustling metropolis. So grab your sunscreen and camera, because we're about to embark on an epic Sydney city tour. Sydney Harbour. Our first stop on this tour is none other than Sydney Harbour, home to some of the city's most famous landmarks. As we stroll along the waterfront, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Whether you're snapping photos or simply soaking in the scenery, this iconic skyline is sure to leave you speechless. The Rocks. Next up, we're venturing into the historic neighborhood known as the Rocks. With its cobblestone streets and charming colonial buildings, this area is steeped in history and culture. Something happening in the Rocks. Be sure to explore the area's hidden laneways and alleyways, where you'll discover hidden gems and local treasures. Botanic Gardens. Our next stop is the lush and tranquil Sydney Botanic Gardens. Nestled in the heart of the city, these sprawling gardens are a green oasis amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Take a leisurely stroll through the lush lawns and fragrant flower beds, and be sure to stop by the iconic Mrs. Macquarie's chair for panoramic views of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and Opera House. Whether you're a nature lover or simply seeking a moment of serenity, the Botanic Gardens are a must-visit. Taronga Zoo. For animal lovers, a visit to Taronga Zoo is a must-do. Located just a short ferry ride from the city centre, this award-winning zoo is home to a diverse array of wildlife from around the world. From cuddly koalas to majestic elephants, you'll have the opportunity to get up close and personal with some of nature's most incredible creatures. Plus, with stunning views of the Sydney Harbour, the zoo offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Sydney CBD. As we make our way back into the city centre, be sure to take some time to explore Sydney's vibrant CBD. From world-class shopping to mouth-watering dining options, there's something for everyone in this bustling district. Don't miss the chance to wander through Hyde Park, visit the iconic Queen Victoria Building, or take a leisurely stroll along Darling Harbour. With its bustling streets and vibrant atmosphere, Sydney's CBD is the beating heart of the city. Museums and art galleries. Next up, we're delving into Sydney's rich cultural scene with a visit to its world-class museums and art galleries. From the Art Gallery of New South Wales to the Australian Museum, these institutions showcase a diverse range of art, history, and culture. Whether you're admiring Indigenous art, exploring interactive exhibits, or marveling at ancient artifacts, you're sure to be captivated by Sydney's vibrant cultural offerings. Cockatoo Island. For a unique and off-the-beaten-path experience, head to Cockatoo Island. This UNESCO World Heritage listed site is steeped in history, with its former role as a colonial penal colony and shipyard. Today, the island offers visitors the chance to explore its historic buildings, scenic walking trails, and panoramic views of the Sydney skyline. Plus, with regular events and festivals held on the island throughout the year, there's always something exciting happening on Cockatoo Island. Chinatown and Asian eateries. No visit to Sydney would be complete without a culinary adventure through its vibrant Chinatown district. From mouth-watering dumplings to sizzling stir-fries, Chinatown is a foodie paradise bursting with flavors and aromas. Be sure to explore the bustling laneways and hidden eateries, where you'll discover authentic Asian cuisine from across the region. Whether you're craving spicy Sichuan cuisine or savory Vietnamese pho, Chinatown has something to satisfy every palate. Blue Mountains. Last but certainly not least, we're venturing beyond the city limits to explore the breathtaking beauty of the Blue Mountains. Just a short drive from Sydney, this UNESCO World Heritage listed region is home to stunning natural wonders, including towering sandstone cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient eucalyptus forests. Whether you're hiking through the scenic trails, riding the iconic scenic railway, or simply admiring the panoramic views, a day trip to the Blue Mountains is an unforgettable experience. And that wraps up our whirlwind tour of Sydney's top attractions. From the tranquil Botanic Gardens to the rugged beauty of the Blue Mountains, we hope you've enjoyed exploring the best that Sydney has to offer. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, history buff, or food lover, there's something for everyone in this vibrant and diverse city. So until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep making memories in the stunning city of Sydney. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. And let us know in the comments below which Sydney hotspot you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels.